If you don't know about GLM, it is one of the powerful open source models out there. It is really good and it is really cheap. A lot of people do actually compare it to Claude. Now, this is really powerful. It just dropped, and ZAI have confirmed this. This is their official website, and here they are saying this is live on the coding plan. Now, some of the changes or the updates in this new release, specifically on this update, they are specifically targeting the agentic coding and reasoning. It is designed to act more like a coding partner and not just a simple chatbot like most people like to use this AI. It is more like a coding partner now, which is more powerful. Another thing is the adaptive reasoning. Unlike the original GLM-5, which could overthink on simple tasks, the newer version, it actually can split between the deep logic thinking and also simple tasks. So this means on simple queries, you get instant responses, and the bigger or complex logic questions or queries, you get, the deep thinking. In this version, they've also worked on the self-debugging loops, which means the model can run linters and catch its own errors and iterate until the coding tasks that you give it are fully functional before showing you the results. Also, the performance leap, it scored 45.3 in the recent coding benchmarks using Claude Code as a harness, representing a 28% improvement over the base of GLM-5 model. This shows that it is really improving, and this is really powerful. If you are on the GLM coding plan, now is the time for you to try this out, okay? Try it out and also tell me what you think about it. This is available on the GLM coding plan. You can see how cheap it is compared to the other models. So this is really big. Try it out today and tell me what you think about it. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and also subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.